Today I'm going to explain my project. I made this project in Kivy and kivyMD with the help of Kivy and kivyMD. First I run this project and after that I can. This is the first login screen where you can put your WordPress username and password. Yeah. Okay. After that, this is the second screen. After you click on login, and you will go to the second screen. Here is today trending topic, Google Trends topic. After that, you will get the news title, news title here. After that, you can get news here. If you want to load your title and news, then you click here. We will load your news titles and news. Here also you can edit your post and title. You can edit your post and title. You can also do slide and get another news about the same topic, like load. This is the another. I'm reopen this and then I again do this. Okay, now it will work fine. You can put your username and password. You should go to the login screen, then load the data. Yeah, now it is working fine. Here you can get to the copyright, means there is no any data inside this post. Then you can, from here you can change the index of the data. After that you can search for it. Okay, index is same, so now you'll get the new data. Then you can also change this data according to you. You can change something. After that you can post the data by clicking on post. Now it is successfully posted on my website called newspy.com.